What's up, guys? This is KyLudwig from BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a Coachmen Chaparral 360 IBL, the 2022 version. So on the outside you see we got fiberglass, and below here there's a place for your batteries and your generator to live. As we move on towards this coach, we got a lot of storage in the pass-through storage there. Yes, it does open on the other side as well. Super beautiful. This does have 4 different slide outs as well, so lots and lots of space here. You got your power awning, covers almost half of the rig here. And then we got our solid steps as well as our handle. And let's go and take a look inside of the rig. Right when you come in, you can see right here, it is a bunkhouse. You got 2 different bunks right there. They're actually the biggest bunks that I've seen, which is quite spacious on there, yeah? Okay, and while we're going in here, let's just go inside of the room. There's a lot of space for storage as well. So we got USB ports right there, storage on the top, and there's a storage space right there. You even got more storage right there, this is all comes on the slide out, so it gives you a lot of room here. And it even comes with a door for the privacy. Let's work towards the back of the coach, shall we? Here it is, the living slash kitchen slash dining space. The biggest thing you see is you got this island here, solid surface countertops with Corian, which is the top quality stuff as you feel it. Right here you can see we got our microwave, as well as our 3-burner stove cooktop, and the oven as well. You even got storage on the bottom here for your trays, pots and pans, things of that sort. And you even have a trash chute right here, which is quite nice. You got more storage right here where you can put your pantry items, cereal, Cheez-Its, anything like that, as well as up here. And underneath here, you can see there's storage right here, obviously, which is really nice. Let me just open this up for you. Really, really nice and tucked away. You can put your silverware in there. There's 3 drawers of that. It even comes with bar stools right here, which is really unique here. So you can, while you're hanging out, you can just take a bar stool and people can sit on the island there as well. You got your Furrion big screen TV right here for your entertainment pleasure, as well as the radio and fireplace. Really beautiful. You also got your couch here, sofa, that does convert into its sleeping space as well as these really nice recliners right here. And they did it right, guys. They have it facing the TV, which is just super beautiful and really nice. You also got storage on the top over there in the back, as well as you can see, and just a lot of windows. Yeah, so it gives you this nice natural sunlight. You also have a dinette here, which has 4 different chairs, so it comes ready, and it does come with an extender as well. So if you want to host more guests or put the bar stools here, you can have your kids or anyone hang out right there as well. Moving on this side, we got the solid surface countertops. We also have removable countertops with the 1 big sink you got here, which is really, really beautiful. Storage everywhere for it, guys. You can put your mugs in here or anything you'd like. Just storage both on the top as well as on the bottom here. Okay, you can just imagine yourself putting your pots and pans or any other items, your rags in here. Just lots and lots of things that you can put within this space. As you can see right here, look at these. There's 6 of them. These are all your light controls, so you can really manipulate the lights and how you want to host your guests. You can turn each lights off. You also have some electric outlets there for your enjoyment pleasure, and as well as a thermostat right here, so you can control the temperature throughout your rig. That was the bunk room right there. And then you also got the computer here as well, that can control your lights and all sorts of things, and as well as this control center right here. So all your buttons are really handy. Come on back here. I want to go ahead and show you the bathroom. Take a look inside of there. Walk-in shower, nice porcelain toilet. You got your sink in there as well, and some storage space. which is quite nice. Come into the bedroom. We got a queen size mattress here, and you also got a dresser, which does fold up. It's got a lot of space in there where you can put some things in there as well. Put your clothes for all of your storage needs. What's also really cool is this comes on a slide out, so when it comes in, it brings it all the way to the front, but it gives that more space in here, that bigger feeling. You also have the closet doors, which is a full mirror, which is really, really nice. And you also got your closet in the back here, which does have washer and dryer hookups as well. So you can really manipulate the space on how you like it, use it for storage. And if you want to get some more privacy as well, you do have the separate door. So you can slide it if you just want to have some more privacy while your guests and your kids are hanging out in the back as well. So guys, if this is a rig that interests you, feel free to give me a call. My name is Kyle, and I would love to help you out. My phone number is 541-799-8794. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.